Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the wheel, undo the axle nuts or quick release, and disconnect any motor cable carefully. Once free, inspect the tire surface and sidewalls for embedded debris, cuts, or visible tube bulges. This tells you whether to patch or replace. Next, check the listed SI on the sidewall and measure current pressure. Make a note. Finally, set out tire levers, a pump with gauge, a patch kit or new tube, and an adjustable wrench so you won't interrupt the flow. You deflate the tire fully and use 2 tire levers to work one bead over the rim, then slide the second lever and walk the bead off. Once the tube is accessible, pull it out and inspect the inside of the tire for thorns or sharp objects. Remove anything you find so the new tube won't fail. If tubeless, check sealant level and rim tape integrity. Inflate the tube just enough to find a slow leak. Listen, feel, or use water to reveal the hole. You either patch the hole following kit instructions or fit a new tube. Make sure the valve goes straight through the rim and the tube is not twisted. Seat the tire bead evenly by inflating a little, then rotate the wheel and push the bead into the rim channel. Inflate to the recommended SI in stages while checking for bulges, rubs, or wobble. Spin the wheel to confirm brakes clear. If it won't hold pressure, inspect rim tape, spoke holes, and the motor axle. Replace damaged parts as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.